All right, question 13. Iraqi artist Nasik al-Malaika, celebrated as the first Arabic poet to write in free verse. Now, free verse means no rhyme, okay? Or, we call it open verse. Didn't reject traditional forms entirely, okay? So, she wrote in free verse, but she did not reject traditional forms entirely, which suggests that Uh, free verse is something that contemporary or modern poets use to write their poems. Okay. Uh, in ancient times, not just ancient times, in classical literature, you'll find mostly poems written in rhymes. The words would rhyme. So even though this poet wrote in free verse, she did not completely reject traditional forms of poetry. Okay. Her poem Elegy for a Woman of No Importance consists of two 10-line stanzas and a standard number of syllables. Even in this superficially traditional work, Dash al-Malaika was breaking new ground by memorializing an anonymous woman rather than a famous man. So memorializing means um, remembering or commemorating. Okay. So here the clue is even. Okay, even in this superficially traditional work. Okay, so this suggests that there is a contradiction, which means her work was superficially traditional but also modern. Okay, so it was two of these things. One, superficially traditional means not really traditional, it looks traditional. Okay, it's superficial. So superficially traditional. The second quality is modern. How was it modern? Because it talks about a woman rather than a man. Okay. So the protagonist is a woman, not a man. So these are two contradictions. So when it comes to contradictions, and this is a transition question. So in transition questions, when we identify a contradiction in the sentences, we choose contradictors. Okay, so there are three types of transitions. One is contradictors, such as although, okay, however, etc. Then you have, sorry, yeah, then you have continuous. Continuous are ones that agree, okay. For example, indeed, okay, or in fact. Then the last one you have is cause and effect. Okay, cause and effect is say therefore or hence or consequently. Okay, so here it's clear that we have to choose contradictors because the sentences are contradicting each other. Okay, so in fact is wrong, though in fact is the only contradictor here. Okay, therefore is a cause and effect, moreover is a continuum. Okay, so let's plug that in. Even in the superficially traditional work, though, al-Malaika was breaking new ground by memorializing an anonymous woman rather than a famous man. This is correct because now the sentence means even though her work was superficially traditional, al-Malaika was breaking new ground by talking about a woman rather than a man. Okay, so even pairs nicely with though. All right.